Truman Talks Law on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Karl Truman Law Office.
If you need to hire an attorney, it can be a little scary, especially when it comes to paying for attorney's services.
Karl Truman's hoping to simplify the ordeal by giving you a heads up on what to expect. How much does it cost to hire Karl? And it's good to see you again, by the way.
Good to see you.
You know, that's a question that I do get. You know, you would think that a lot of people understand or have heard the word contingency fee, but I still do get people that will call and ask, well, can I afford to hire you? And yes, you can, because the way my fees work on the type of cases that I do, it's done on what's called a contingency fee basis, meaning that there's no retainer fee. I don't ask my clients for any money up front. A contingency fee means that I only get paid a fee if I recover money damages for my client. And then it's based on a percentage of the recovery at the end of the case.
And sometimes there can be fees, though, for other things, I guess documentation, research, whatever, those types of things. That's a side issue?
Yes, that's another point that a lot of people don't realize, is that oftentimes it costs out-of-pocket expenses to pursue a case. And so it could be getting medical records or medical reports from a doctor, filing fee, especially if it's in litigation, court reporter costs, all of these expenses that are separate. And so sometimes clients too, and there may be attorneys that want the client to pay those, but I don't ask the client to pay those. Any of those kind of out-of-pocket expenses, I pay those for the client up front, and then those are deducted from the recovery separate from the attorney's fee. But again, if there were no recovery, then my client doesn't owe me anything for any attorney's fee and does not owe me to reimburse me for those out-of-pocket expenses either.
Now, no lawyer can guarantee an outcome, but you have a 30-day guarantee.
Well, what I say to clients is that, yes, as you said, an attorney cannot guarantee an outcome of a case, but I do provide a guarantee in that within the first 30 days, if the client feels that if they are not completely satisfied with the services they're providing or not completely satisfied with our staff, then all the client has to do is tell me that they're not happy and they want their file, and so they don't owe me anything.
Can I go back to another point there, too? Medical files, why are those not available to people to start with anyway? It's their medical information. Why is someone allowed to charge a fee for those?
Well, the statute provides that, the law provides that a doctor or medical facility can charge for copies of a patient record. And sometimes it can get expensive. Although Kentucky law provides that you're supposed to get your first copy for free, but sometimes they try to bypass that and still try to charge. So oftentimes we can get the first copy for free, but sometimes there's supplements or additional copies. And if you want a report from the doctor, sometimes we have to send in a narrative report for the doctor talking about the injuries. And you have to pay the doctors for time on that.
And oftentimes we get inquiries from people saying, what should I do? This happened, or whatever. And a consultation is the best way. We just tell them you need to call a lawyer and ask for a consultation, and you offer that, don't you?
Yes, absolutely. We do offer free consultation, so you're able to meet with us. The client can meet with us, ask questions, get information with no commitment, and then we do provide a free consultation. And we also have multiple office locations and do come to clients too.
Yeah, if someone's injured, you can go to them, so that's not...
If they're injured, can't get out, if they're in the hospital, we actually do meet clients at their home or the hospital too.
All right. We appreciate you, Karl. Thanks so much. You can reach Karl Truman at 502-222-2222. He's online at trumanlaw.com.
We'll be right back with more Great Day Live.